Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers, exercise 3.4. In this exercise we know how to find common factors, common multiples of given numbers. Okay, so what is factors you know very well, and what is multiple you also know. Okay, so first question of this exercise 3.1 is that find the common factor of 20 and 28. So this is given common factor of, we need to find the common factor of 20 and 28. Clear? So for this, first we find the factor of 20 and the factor of 28. After this we checked which factor is common 20 and 28. Then you can find the common factor of 20 and 28. So let's see. Factor of 20. Factor of 20 is equal to, you know very well, all those numbers who divide 20, they are factor of 20. Okay, so you can write here factor of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 itself. Okay, so you can see here the factor of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5 and 20. 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now we need to find factor of 28. So what is the factor of 28? So you can write here factors of 28. This is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 itself. Okay, so in this way we know all those numbers we divide 28 and they are the factor of 28. Okay, so one divides every number, so one is the factor of every numbers. Clear? Now, so here you can write, you can see here what is the common between them. So first you write common factor. Common factor of 20 and 28. This is equal to, you can see here, this is common between them. 2 is also common, 4 is also common. Okay, only this 1, 2 and 4 are common between them. Then you can say the common factor of 20 and 28 is 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4 is the common factor of 20 and 28. Okay, now the B part of this question is that find the common factor of 15 and 25. Okay, this is A part, this is B part. You need to find common factor of 15 and 25. So first you write here the common factor of 15. Okay, so factor of 15, factors of 15, this is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Factor of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Now, so what is the factor of 25? So factor of 25 is equal to, you can write here, factors of 25. This is equal to 1, 5, 25. Okay, so we need to find your factors, common factors of 15 and 25. So you can write here common factor of common factors of 15 and 25 is equal to 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is the common factor of 15 and 25. So student, I hope all of you understood this question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Now we are going to discuss second question. In second question is also find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12, 5, 15 and 25. So let's see how to find the common factor of three given numbers. First we erase this. After this we need to find the common factors of given three numbers. Okay. Question number 2. A part, this is given. The number is given 4, 8, 12. 4, 8 and 12. So what we need to find here? Common factor of 12, 8 and 4. So first we find the factor of 4. Factor of 4 is equal to factors of 4. This is equal to 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Now factors of 8 is equal to all those numbers who divides 8. This is factors of 8. So here you can say 1 divides every number, so 1 is the factor of every number. 2 divides 8, so 2 is the factor of 8. 4 divides 8, so 4 is the factor of 8, and 8 divides itself, so 8 is the also factor of 8. Clear? Now next we need to find the factor of 12. So factor of 12 is equal to factors of 12. This is equal to all those numbers we divide 12, they are factor of 12. So for this 1 divide every number, so 1 is the factor of every number. It means that 1 divides at 12. Okay. So 1 is the factor of 12. 2 also divides 12. So 2 is the factor of 12. 3 also divides. So 3 is the factor of 12. And 4 divides 12. So 4 is the factor of 12. 6 divides 12. And 12 divides itself. Okay. So you can see the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And here the factor of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 is the factor of 8, and the factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. So here we need to find the common factor of 4, 8 and 12. So here we write common factor of 4, 8 and 12. This is equal to what? You can see this is a common factor 1, comma. You can see a 2, and this is a 4. This is a 4. Okay. So in this way you can see here the common factor of 1, 2 and 4. The common factor of 4, 8 and 12 is 1 to 4. Okay. So I hope all of you know how to find the factors of any numbers. all those numbers which divides the given numbers is factor of the given numbers. It means that what is the factor of 4? So 1 divides 4, 2 divides 4, and 4 also divides 4. So you can say the factor of 4 is 1 to 4. Now after this you can see here factor of 8. So here you can see 1 divide 8, 2 divide 8, 4 divide 8, and 8 itself divided. So all these numbers 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factor of 8. Now factor of 12 is equal to 1 divide 12, 2 also divide 12, 3 divide 12, 4 divide 12, 6 divide 12, 12 also divide 12. So here you can see the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now here we need to find the common factor of 12. The common factor of 12 is, you can see here 1 is common in each, 1 is common factor of 4, 8 and 12. So 1 is the common factor of 4, 8 and 12. You can see also here 2 is common factor of 4, 2, 4, 8 and 12. So 2 is the common factor of 4, 8, 12. So you can write here 2. And also you can see here 4 is the common factor of 4, 8 and 12. So you can write here 4. So in this way you find that the common factor of 4, 8 and 12 is 1 to 4. Now we are going to discuss second part of this question number 2. Second part is find the common factor of 5, 15 and 25. Okay, so let's see how to find the common factor of 5, 15 and 25. So here this is B part. B part is given here 5, 15 and 5, 15 and 25. Okay, 5, 15 and 25. We need to find the common factor of this. So first we find the factor of 5. Factor of 5. Factors are 5. This is equal to 1 divides 5 and 5 itself. So factor of 5 is equal to, you can see here 1 in the 5. Now we find factor of 15. So factor of 15, factors of 15, this is equal to 1 divide 15. So 1 is the factor of 15. 3 divide 3, 5 is 15. So 3 is the factor of 15. 5 also divide 15. So 5 is the 5, 3 is the, and the 15 itself divide 15. This is it. So you can see here the factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now we are going to discuss factor of 25. So we write here factor of 25 is equal to factors of 25. This is equal to 1, 5, 25. Okay, this is the factor of 25. 1, 5 and 25. This is clear now. So we need to find the common factor of 5, 15 and 25. So here we write common factor of common factor of 5, 15 and 25. Okay, so here you can see we write the factor of 5, 15, 25. Factor of 5 is 1, 5. 1 and 5 is the factor of 5 because 5 divided by 1 and 5. So factor of 5 is 1 and 5. And the factor of 15 is all the numbers we divide 15. They are factor of 15. So here you can see the 1 divide 15, 3 divide 15, 5 divide 15 and the 15 itself divide 15. So factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Again we write here the factor of 25. So 1 divide 25, 5 divide 25, and the 25 itself divide 25. So you can say here the factor of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. But here we need to find the factor of common factor of 5, 15 and 25. So you can see here this is a common factor. 1 is common factor, write 1 and what 5. Okay, so 5. 1 and 5 is the common factor of 5, 15 and 25. Clear? Now, so student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 3. In this question, we need to find the common find the first 3 common multiple of 6 and 18. 6 and 8, 12 and 18. So let's see what is the first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8 and 12 and 18. Okay. But here we need to, you can see, we find the common factor of even 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Question number 3. Find the first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. First 3 common multiple. So first write multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 24 and 30, 36 and 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. Okay, here you need to find only 6 multiple of first 3 multiple of common multiple of 6 to 8, 6 and 8. Okay, so first you write the multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 24, 30, 36. Sorry, one is left, 18 here. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. You can write 78. Okay, 84 and so on. Now we need to find the multiple of 8. So you write here multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. Multiple of 8 is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on. So here you can see we write the multiple of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on you can write, because we have we need to find only 3 common multiple of 6 and 8, so we can write here. Okay, now so we need to find the common multiple of 6 and 8. Common multiple of 6 and 8, this is equal to 6 and 8, this is equal to what? You can see 24 is here and 24 here. So 24 is the common multiple. Here at 24. Okay, and this is first common multiple of 6 and 8, and the second common multiple is 48. You can see here 48 and 48. Clear? So second common multiple of 6 and 8 is 48. Clear? Now what is the third common multiples? You can see here 72. Here 72. So right here 72. Okay. So you can see the first three common multiple of 6 and 8 is equal to 24, 48 and 72. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood in these questions. We need to find in this question the first three common multiple of 6 and 8. Now next is we need to find the common multiple of first three common multiple of 12 and 18. So let's see how to find the first three common multiple of 12 and 18. So B part of question number 3. This is B part. We need to find the common first three common multiples of 12 and 18. For this, first we find the common multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 and the multiple of 18, and after this we find the common multiple of 12 and 18. So let's see. First we write here multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 is equal to 12, 24. Okay, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and so on. Okay. After this we find after this we write multiple of 18s. Okay. So let's see. Multiple of 18. This is equal to 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, and so on. Okay. So in this way you can see the multiple of 18 is equal to 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, and 126. Okay. So after this we need to find the common first three common multiple of 12 and 18. So we will write first three common multiple of multiple of 12 and 18 is equal to first three common multiple of 12 and 18 is equal to, you can see here, and the 36 the multiple of 12 and 36 the multiple of 18. So you can see 36 is the common multiple of 12 and 18. Now next you can see here 72. 72 is common multiple of 12 and 18. So 72 also common multiple of 12 and 18. Now next is you can see 108. 108 is also common multiple of 12 and 18. So in this way you can see the first three common multiple of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. So student, I hope all of understood this question, that how to find the common multiple of the given 2 or 3 numbers. For this, first we find the multiples of the given each numbers, and after this we find which numbers is common in both. For example, you can see here, first we find the multiple of 12, and after this we find the multiple of 8. And here you can see we find 36 have common multiple of 12 and 8. 72 and 72 here you can see has the common multiple of 8, and the 108, and also here you can see 108 is the common multiple of 12 and 18. So in this way you can see the first three common multiple of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4. Question number 4 have write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. So there is to find the common multiple of 4 and 3 and less than 100. Okay, first way is that we write the multiple of 3 less than 100. Again we write the multiple of 4 less than 100, and after this we take common. Okay, and the next way is that first we find the LCM of 3 and 4, and we write the multiple of their LCM. This is the common multiple. This is the common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100. Okay, so I hope all of you know how to find LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we need to find the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100 is equal to 12, 24. It means that multiple of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96 is the common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, in the first way we write the multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on up to less than 100, and again we write the multiple of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 up to less than 100, and after this we find the common multiples of 3 and 4. And second way, we first find the LCM of 3 and 4, this is 12, and after this, and the common multiple of 3 and 4 is a multiple of 12. It means that 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. So let's see how to find the common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100. So now we are going to discuss question number 4. We need to find the common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100. So for this, first we find the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, so we write here LCM of 3 and 4. This is equal to 12. LCM of 3 and 4. This is equal to 12, and after this we find the common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100. Common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100. Less than 100. This is equal to multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 less than 100. Less than 100. Clear? So this is equal to 12 multiple of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 84, 96. Okay, so this is the common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100 is equal to multiple of 12 less than 100, because the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So common multiple of 3 and 4 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. This is enough for today, and next question 5, 6 and 7 we will discuss in next video. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.